Flo, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan, and Carmen, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin. Carmen, Colin, Flo, Ryan. The scene is Ryan and Colin are two English knights preparing to defend the castle and the demanding queen from an approaching barbaric army.
We're two knights.
And you guys are going to do the sound effects for him. You can use the microphones to do sound effects and take it away whenever you're ready.
Sir Reginald. Oh, I could barely hear you. Oh.
I've worn my rubber armor today.
There's a horde of... a battalion of... They have their own theme music.
But it's the cavalry. They're in the wrong era, aren't they?
We've got to fight them. Listen, the demanding queen.
Oh, my God.
Apparently the queen takes offense with your shirt.
I suppose.
Love that shirt.
I'm going to put on my metal armor.
Very well.
Then we get the pants. Actually, it's just crumpled paper, but I painted it to look like metal.
Whatever works. You all right?
Oh, it was very heavy. That hurt. Sorry, that's what that... No, it was a very nice try.
We'll have no problem defeating the army with ease.
Maybe we better get a bigger weapon.
Pick your weapons.
I'm going to try the crossbow.
It sounds delicious.
Yes. I'm so glad they just found some Velcro so I could stick it up there.
I myself will take the big spiky ball on the end of a stick. Oh, they'll think it's the police.
Yes. Shall we get on our horses?
We shall. Never mind about the door.
Silver, gold. What's up? I put pillows on their feet so you couldn't hear them approach. Well, there's only two of us, and there's a bunch of them. Oh, and one's sick. That evens the odds a little bit.
Let's ride towards them at full gallop, screaming at the top of our lungs. Are you ready?
Yes.
Flo and Carmen. Flo and Carmen. I would love to see what Colin looks like in that hat, though. Can I just... You know...